what the heck?
Oh, that's fucking mean as fuck.
Yo.
Look. You look at the head.
That's not even funny. Yo, that's his mouth. That's his head.
Let's go. Hey, girl.
Flip it around.
Hold on, I'll flip it around. No, nigga, you trying to get some fucking HIV? Is he alive?
No. What the freak? You would have flew away.
Chicken blind. You better say you got hit.
Probably sleep. Oh, what the fuck happened to his head?
Where's his head at?
What the fuck is his head?
The fuck?
No!
Is this a
He got that. He got that on a courses.
What?
He got that on a courses. Ew, Joe, you ain't nobody. You're so good. Hey, let me see. Give it, let me do it. It's
No,
over
don't
here.
even touch it anymore.
No, I'm not gonna touch it.
Murray,
What is this? His beak.
Don't throw it.
I'm not gonna throw it.
I'm walking away, nigga.
Yo, where's the bird? Right there. Ew, what the fuck is that? Ew, there's worms on it. There's freaking maggots.
There's maggots.
That bag is getting out of his body.
What if that shit went on my fucking... You fucking asshole.
You threw that, man.
I didn't even use it.
What the frick is that?
I know.
No, she's fucking.
She probably heard screaming, so she left.
That was the most disgusting thing I've ever seen in my life. But I have it all on record, so say bye to the camera. I'm putting this shit on YouTube, so say bye to YouTube. No, nigga, she screamed 3 times.
Barbie.
It's Barbie, bitch. You can see the way he's a banging nigga down there. Look, say bye to the camera.